there are certain things that you just shouldn't do. This is not one of them, okay? This is weird, but it's good. It works. Don't ask me why, it just does. So if you want to see how to make this, you guys stick around because we're about to get started. I'm making this sandwich with sausage, so we're going to need some sausage. I'm cutting off a little bit of sausage from the tube here. This is the second mark. I'm using some plastic wrap in order to smash this flat, and I'm getting all the stuff out of it because my OCD won't allow me to waste any of those bits like that. Fold this over, and I'm just going to smash this down with my hand. You could use a large pot if you want. You can also use bacon for this. That works great. Now we are going to get our waffles cooking. I put these in the toaster to get the freeze off them, basically. And then we put some butter in the pan and we're cooking them off. This gets great flavor. Even if you're not making the sandwich, you should always cook your frozen waffles this way. They taste so much better. We're putting the sausage in the pan, being very careful not to touch the cooked waffle with the raw sausage. The waffles are done, so we're getting them out of there, and make sure no touchy, no touchy. All right, we're 2 minutes, we give this a flip. Give that a few seconds here, then we're going to throw the butter in the pan here because we're going to start cooking the egg next to it because it's about efficiency. You want everything hot. We're putting a little bit of cheese on this. American works great. This is cheddar because mo cheddar, mo better. And we're going to put in our egg because there's egg on this. And I don't like runny yolks, so I'm breaking my yolk. If you like runny yolks, don't do that. That seems pretty self-explanatory. I'm just shaping this down to make sure it is the right size. Once that cooks down just a smidge, give it a flip. Now, there are many ways to cook an egg. You can go sunny side up, over easy, whatever. I'm going over hard, real hard. This only takes a few seconds to be done, and we're ready to assemble our sandwich. All right, it's time to assemble this thing and see exactly what's happening. Wish me luck. All right, my first thought is you don't put ketchup or any kind of weird sauce on this. This needs maple syrup, right? So I got some maple syrup. I've heated up here. We're just going to drizzle a little bit in here because you want that great waffle experience, don't you? Yes, we cooked these in butter, so they already have a little bit of butter on them. Oh boy, yeah, that's a thing. That's happening. That's happening, folks. There you go. I'm going to set this over here so it's out of my way. All right, putting this down on top, and that is the craziest, silliest thing I've ever come up with. Quite possibly. And it's about nuclear hot because it just came out of the pan. So I'm going to actually let this sit for a second and take a picture or two of it, and then I'll be right back. It is time to dig into this, but I'm going to cut it in half because I'm very, very curious what a cross-section of this looks like. I don't know about you, I've never seen anything like this before. Not quite. But you can do this with fancier waffles if you want to. But why? Because that is the frozen waffle breakfast sandwich, and I'm going in. Holy crap, that actually works. Holy crap, that's actually delicious. I was 50-50. If I'm being honest, I was 50-50 on this thing. But dang, that is absolutely delicious. And it's messy too. Awesome. So it comes with a side of finger lickings. Aha! That's delicious. And if you ever get adventurous and feel like doing that, I can't stop you because I won't even try. That's not bad. That really is pretty good. I guess it's kind of like the McGriddle thing or something like that. But this is with frozen waffles. They saw me cook them in the pan. You know, that helps quite a bit. But that's crazy. It's goofy, and I hope you like it. And if you like that, you can hit the like, thumbs up thing down there, subscribe, hit the notification bell. All that stuff is completely free and just helps YouTube know that this channel's here, and it lets you know when new stuff is coming up. So if you want to do all that stuff, I am much appreciated, and always leave me a comment. I love comments, so do that as well, and I'll try and answer back any questions you have or anything or whatever, because I like interacting with you guys. So keep doing that. I appreciate it. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Sort of. I don't know. I got to come up with an end catchphrase. I don't know. At some point. If you have a suggestion for an end catchphrase thing, leave it in the comments. Be great. Because I keep coming up with dumb stuff and none of it seems to work. But till next time, I'll see you later. See, that doesn't work. All right.